In the world of indoor cycling, the Ativafit Indoor Cycling Bike emerges as a beacon of affordability and quality. With a price tag that won't break the bank, this bike has peddled its way into homes across the U.S., offering a silent yet effective workout experience. The magnetic resistance and belt transmission system of the Ativafit bike ensures a whisper-quiet operation, perfect for apartment dwellers or early risers. Its compact design is a space saver, making it an ideal fit for smaller living spaces. What truly sets the Ativafit apart is its commitment to customer satisfaction. With a 1-year warranty and replacement parts guarantee, it stands out in a market where such assurances are rare. This level of service is a testament to the bike's reliability and the company's confidence in its product. For those who are serious about their indoor cycling, the Ativafit may not be the only option. The Giroto XM30 indoor cycle is recommended for those looking to push their limits further, offering a more intense workout experience. However, the Ativafit bike is not one-size-fits-all. It caters to users from 5 to 6 feet tall, so if you fall outside this range, you might need to consider other models. When it comes to value, the Ativafit bike rides ahead of the competition. For under $250, it's hard to find another spin bike that offers more bang for your buck. If you can stretch your budget slightly, the MaxCare magnetic spin bike is another contender, but for those on a tighter budget, the Ativafit remains unbeatable. The bike's technical specs are impressive for its price point. With a sturdy steel frame, it can support up to 265 pounds and is easy to move around thanks to its transport wheels. The lack of a water bottle holder and the need for batteries for the LCD monitor are minor trade-offs for its overall value. In conclusion, the Ativafit Indoor Cycling Bike stands as a solid choice for entry-level users seeking a budget-friendly, reliable, and quiet indoor cycling experience. With its customer-focused warranty and compact design, it's a spin bike that's hard to overlook in its class.